You want a portion of this when you want to cook is you just have to crack it and have it separated into 4 pieces like that. Hello, welcome back to my channel, Ingrid in Bosnia. So today I'm gonna show you how I store my meat in the freezer. So for me, when we go grocery, I have lots of meat, right? But I will always segregate it or separate it in small portions so that it's easy for me to thaw whenever I needed it for cooking, because it's not nice for the meat to thaw and then refreeze again and take it out again and thaw again. So that's not nice for the meat. You only need to thaw once the meat and that's it. So with that, since I buy in bulk, so I separate or I store it in small portions. So this is how I do it with my ground beef. So this is a 1 kilo beef. So this is good for how many usage? So, and for me to store before I knew this trick, I usually store it in small batches with lots of plastic container or plastic like this. So what I do now is to store it in one plastic and then divide it together. So that's how I'm gonna show you and how to do it. So what I need is a plastic, a resealable one like this that you can reseal, open this. I have mine. This is from IKEA, but whatever, I don't mind a brand. So whatever you have, use it as long as it's resealable, so that it's easy for you to open and then seal it again. Then this is just if you want to kilo it, since if you want to weigh your meat, it's okay. If you don't want to weigh it, it's fine also. So this is just optional, and this is also an optional, the rolling pin, so that I can easily flatten it. So this is how I do it. First, this is 1 kilo of beef. This one is 1 kilo of beef. And the beef here is how much? In Bosnia, ano po? Magkano bang kilo dito? Nasa 8.95 kilos. So, almost 300 siya ang kilo ng ground beef. So, 8.95. 9 marka maybe nasa 270, 260, 250 like that. Mahal po ang beef dito. And same sa atin sa Pinas, I think mahal din. So, what I need to do is I have to separate. Since this is 1 kilo, so I guess I need to separate it twice. Half kilo each. So, I'm gonna take one more. It's so nice outside. It's so sunny. And more like that. So, I'm gonna weigh it. That's why I have this. It's very handy. And maybe half na ito. We'll see. Yan. Kilo muna natin. Kung handy weighing scale ko po. Yan. Okay. Should be in grams. We'll see. Okay, it's in grams. Let's see how much is this. This is 498 grams. So, it's almost half kilo, but never... It's only 0.02 grams. So, the other one would be the same. Because I think the guy there in the butchery will weigh also this one. So this one, keep everything because the beef is expensive. Whatever, don't throw, because there are some sticking in my spatula. Let's see, let's weigh this one. You have to put it in 0. Okay, 0, and let's weigh this one. This is 506, so it's a small difference, so they're equal now. What I'm going to do is flatten it up. Yeah, flatten it. And that's why I have my convenient rolling pin so that I can flatten easily my beef. By the way, the beef here you can order, there is a, how you call that, meat grinder in the spot, and then you can just pick up your meat that you want, and you can tell him, that's the one that I want you to ground for me. That's how they do. So make sure that it's a equal portion flat, ha? Para ano sila, pag tanggal mo, equal yung meat mo. Let's lagyan natin ng air, ano, para maka-escape yung air. So make sure na pareho silang ka-thick. Yung thickness niya is same. Yan. Kasi pag hindi siya, yan. Make sure na magkasing flat lang sila. Yan. Ayan, kumuha po ako nito. Ito lang po yung gagamitin ko pang guide. Tapos, we'll make sure na pantay-pantay yung meat nyo para easy yung pag-divide natin. So, I'm gonna make 4 portion of this meat. Parang dito yung gitna. Yan. Yan. So, kailangan dull yung things na ginagamit mo yung pang ano sa kanya. Pwedeng ito din. Yan. 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 Lagyan mo yung ganyan. Tapos, yung half portion niya, gaganon mo din. Yan. Yan. At least may ano na siya. Ang tawag dito, yung parang may grid lines. Grid lines ba? Or if I'm mistaken, grid lines ba yung ganito? Ganyan. Diba? Tapos, para ano, isang plastic lang ginagamit mo. Kung before, when I was doing this, 4 to. Kasi 4 na portions so 4 na plastic. So, let's help Mother Nature. So, less plastic and reuse the plastic also. And, yan. Tapos, yung may ganito na siya, parang may grid lines. Saka mo na siya i-freezer. Tapos, I will show you after, pag na-freeze nito, I will show you how to do it. Lalagay ko na po siya sa freezer. Na flat po siya, dapat flat. So, ganyan natin. Punong-puno yung freezer ko. Ayan, so pwede na. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, let it freeze. Tapos, ipapakita ko po sa inyo after matigas na po yung karne natin. So, now, we're gonna check my meat. The one we stored last time. Here. So, they're both here. Both of them here. And I'm gonna show you when I need a portion of this, when I cook, when a portion of this. So, I will just have to do like this. Like that. There's already a line. So, here like that. Just like this. And when I need it, when I used to cook, it's so easy for me to get. I'll just get a piece of this and I have it thaw. If I want 2 pieces, just get 2 pieces. So it's easier, and then I can still reuse this one, this plastic. So it's better that it's like this, right? So that's how I do it. So thanks you for watching for my DIY. I hope this will help you. It's not about being OCD, it's just being practical. So find ways to make work easier. So that's how I do and store my ground beef.